Hey guys, in this video we're going to check out the DJI Mini SC drone that my living dad just got for me as an early birthday present. Right now I already unboxed it. According to my dad, the price on buying this drone along with the accessories that came with it, the amount was around close to being over $400. So let's see what kind of accessories it came with. This looks like the carrying case for the drone, which I will put on the side for right now. Here is the actual drone. And as you can see, it also comes with a controller that you can hook up to your phone. Looks like some landing gear extensions, so maybe the drone can have higher ground to stand in, away from any debris that might cause damage. Oh, awesome. The drone also came with a SD card that has 128 gigabytes, which is really good memory space. Also, the brand is from SanDisk Extreme, which is a really good brand. Alright, so moving on to the last accessory, we got a box with folding landing pad. Very useful if you want to avoid getting any dirt or scratches on the drone, or you just want to be fancy. You can also use it for a customized little mini airport. Just saying because I like using my imagination. Okay, so here is the carrying case made by Slinger. Pretty good size with enough pockets to fit in for smaller size accessories. And obviously enough room space for both the drone and the Pro controller. Here is the drone up close along with the controller. I must say this is a pretty neat looking drone because look how small it is. Has a nice sleek shape to it. I'm gonna set it down and see if I can try to get the arms or legs to open. Okay, so I managed to get the front legs to open. I probably need two hands to get the back part, so let me turn off my camera real quick. Here it is, guys. I'm super excited, but don't want to get my hopes up just yet till I give it a test flight later. I love how the controller looks. I found a small box that came with the drone and the controller that might hold spare propellers inside of it. I'm gonna open it to see if there's anything else. I'm guessing this is the charger for the drone. And spare propellers, like I said. Looks like I see another wire in there that has a mini B output. Could be a charger for the controller. Here's another cord but smaller with a USB Type-C output. This cord obviously goes to the controller because there is another one that is already hooked up on the left side, and the output on that belongs to an iPhone user's, which is useless to me because I don't own an iPhone. The smaller white box also came with a mini screwdriver that will help you to remove the propellers off your drone and replace them with new ones if they ever get worn out or damaged. So this tool is very useful just in case if you don't have one at home. Since I didn't get a chance to film myself opening these back legs, I'm going to show you guys a demonstration how they fold and unfold. I thought they spread open, but they actually fold, which is very different from how the front legs open. Now looking at the controller, as you can see, as I mentioned, one of the cords is already plugged in on the left side that I will soon take out and replace it with the other one. The controller also comes with detachable joysticks that I will put on later. But yeah, just in case you're wondering, the joysticks can be removed or reattached. And I don't recommend using the controller without them. Yeah guys, I'm really excited because as you can tell, the drone has a built-in gimbal, which means each footage I record will come out smooth and stabilized while flying the drone. Now behind the drone we will find a place for the battery to give it power, and a slot on the bottom where we place the micro SD card, and a USB port for charging the battery. Just want to point out, I didn't get a charger station for the battery, and that's fine. Maybe someday in the future I might buy one along with a spare battery. But till then, I'll charge it using the drone by leaving it inside. Alright guys, this is what the controller really looks like with the joysticks attached. Basically, all I have to do is screw them into the joypad and that will keep them on without worrying about them falling off while controlling your drone. But if you ever lose them, don't worry, the controller came with the spares, as you can see. I'm actually using the spares because I didn't notice these joysticks underneath till recently. Later on, I will take off the spares and place them in the carrying case inside a zipper pocket so I won't lose them. And just use the ones that are clipped to the controller. Okay, now for the part where we plug our phone underneath. And here are the 3 cords with different ports to do that. I will label what kind of ports they are on screen. As you can see, we have the first cord for iPhone and Mac users. And moving on down, we have the second and third cord for Samsung and Android users. And the reason why you need to be plugged in so you can actually have access to your drone feed from a DJI app. Here we have our step-by-step manual. On step 1, it tells you to download the app and where to download it, followed by step 2 all the way to step 5. These are just basic instructions on how to set up your drone before we move on to the exciting part, and that is flying it. Let's get out there and finally fly this drone. Alright guys, that is it for the video. Sorry my flight shots weren't long enough. At the beginning, my drone wasn't recording when it first took flight, so I needed to make it short because battery life on both my phone and drone was getting low. Speaking of battery life, the drone lasted for a good 15 minutes, which is a really good amount of time in my opinion. I also love the high quality, and the shots were very smooth and stabilized, perfect for doing any cinematic shots. If you're here and that's what you're looking for, then I totally recommend getting the DJI Mini SE. Just to let you know, this drone doesn't have the functionality to follow me. So if you want a drone that can follow you around, there are other ones that should have that capability. Just make sure they are DJI related. Because last year I did get 2 drones that had very poor quality. And I didn't understand why till a friend told me to get a DJI. And as you already seen on this video, DJI drones delivers the best quality. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you think you learned something today, please hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, please hit that subscribe button, which will encourage me to make more content. Till then, take care. See you next time. Peace.